Okay, thank you so much, Rohit, for inviting me. Let me give you a hint for the next representation. That would be they may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. You guessed it right, ladies and gentlemen. I would be inviting Team Bhagat Singh for his representation. Team Bhagat Singh, over to you.
A very happy 75th Independence Day to the chairperson, the president, and everyone present here. I am extremely glad that all India has come in this meeting. I would like to thank our mentor and our chief guest, Shruti ma'am, uh, because she has given us such a wonderful opportunity so that we can show our patriotism to the freedom fighters who uh, sacrificed their life for us.
Very good.
Now, I am Shivom, captain of Team Bhagat Singh, and my team members are Bhumika Pandey, Ritika Singh, and Vaishnavi Agrawal. Now, I would like to tell you about Bhagat Singh. He was a folk hero for India, and he gave all his life for the freedom of our country from the colonial government. Bhagat Singh was a man who followed the ideology of a socialist community. He became such a headache for the British government that he was executed at the age of 23. Now, I would request Bhumika to continue from here and tell you about the childhood of Bhagat Singh. And before Bhumika, I would like to say, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुएं कातिल में है. Over to you, Bhumika.
Thank you, Shivam. Hello, beautiful ma'am and lovely people here. I'm Bhumika from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Now, I will tell you about Bhagat Singh, childhood life. So, Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Sikh family at Punjab's Banga village near Jaranwala Tehsil, which is recently present in Pakistan. He was second son of Vidyavati and Kishan Singh. He grew up in freedom fighters family. His uncle Ajit Singh, Swaran Singh and his father Kishan Singh were member of Gadar party. His idol was Kartar Singh Saraba, and Bhagat Singh has completed his schooling from Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School at Lahore, followed by Arya Samaj. The Gadar movement and the massacre of Jallianwala Bagh, April 13, 1919, drove him to go to Amritsar and left a very deep imprint on his mind. Now, I would like to call Ritika to tell you about his college life.
Thank you, Bhumika. Hello, everyone. Hello, ma'am. Happy Independence Day to everyone. I am Ritika Singh and I am from Noida, Uttar Pradesh.
Very good.
Bhagat Singh joined the National College of Arts in Lahore, where he also participated in extracurricular activities like the Dramatic Society. He also joined the Hindustan Republican Association. To avoid his arranged marriage, Singh ran away to Kanpur and left a letter for his family. Lala Lajpat Rai was against the Simon Commission, so he started a march. To stop this march, lathi charge was imposed and Rai got injured. After few days, he died. Singh thought that British government was responsible for his death. In December 1928, Singh and Rajguru shot a 21-year-old British police officer, John Saunders, mistaking Saunders, who was still on probation, for the British police superintendent, James Scott, whom they had intended to associate. Now, I am welcoming Vaishnavi to brief you more about Bhagat Singh life in prison.
Very good. Very nice.
Thank you, Ritika.
What a sweet.
Vaishnavi here from Odisha, and a very happy Independence Day, all of you.
Thank you.
So, after killing Saunders, the group escaped, and Bhagat Singh totally dressed in Western attire. Now, I want to tell you about how this freedom fighter Bhagat Singh designing his own death. In the 1929 Assembly incident and arrest, Bhagat Singh threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly and stated that if the deaf are to hear, the sound has to be very, very loud. The aim behind the bombing was not to just to harm anyone, but to pass the bills. They also surrendered themselves to police and instead they stayed there and shouted the slogan Inqilab Zindabad. Bhagat Singh was jailed for the first time at the age of 20. He He also did a hunger strike of 63 days, demanding the same treatment facilities as British prisoners got. Finally, after 116 days, Bhagat Singh canceled his hunger strike. Now, it is so surprising that during this days also he used to do singing and reading the book on the land just before he was hanged. Now, I want to welcome Shivam to continue further.
Very good.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi.
Loudly.
Now, I will tell you people about the last days of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev, and how the three men were executed by the imperialist monolith government. Now, Bhagat Singh and his colleagues, they had to face trials regarding the Lahore conspiracy case. And during the trials, the magistrate ordered all the accused to be handcuffed and beaten in the courtroom, and also ordered that the trials to be initiated without the accused being present in the court. Now, this was a major setback for Singh and his colleagues, as they no longer could use the medium of the courtroom to publicize their ideology.
Okay.
Now, the Lord Irwin, the Viceroy of India, he set up a special tribunal and passed an ordinance so that the three men could be executed as early as possible. On 7th October 1930, a 300-page judgment was released by the court convicting the three men of Saunders' murder. On 24th March 1931, the three men were to be hanged in Lahore Central Jail, but to avoid any protest from the public, the three men were executed on 23rd of March 1931 at 7 p.m. Afraid from the protest outside the Lahore Central Jail, the bodies of the three men were secretly removed from the jail, and the bodies were burnt near a village in Lahore, and the ashes were thrown in the Satluj River.
It's very sad.
Now, I would like to quote I would like to quote some words of Bhagat Singh. वो दिन भी आएगा कि आजाद होंगे हम.
ये अपनी जमीन होगी, ये अपना आसमां होगा.
शहीदों की चिता पर लगेंगे हर बार मेले.
वतन पर मरने वालों का यही नामो निशान होगा.
अच्छा.
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद
इनकलाब.
जिंदाबाद.
Thank you so much.
Very good.
This
Thank
was from
you
our side.
Thank you, everyone.
for giving us
Thank you
this
so much.
josh.
Thank you
Indeed,
so much,
Inqilab
guys.
Zindabad.
Thank you so much, guys. I'll just rephrase. Thank you so much for this energetic performance. Now I would like to invite Mr. President to take on the quiz for Team Bhagat Singh.
Wow, what a marvelous presentation by Team Bhagat Singh. Thank you so much, Kanishk, for giving me this opportunity again. Ma'am, this was indeed a great presentation as I have seen. And definitely these people are wonderful. The way they presented everything starting from his career till his death. And it was
Absolutely
amazing
correct. His
and
career,
wonderful.
his childhood days,
A huge
and
round of
his
applause.
perfect
Yes.
performance.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Thank
You know,
you.
even Rohit, I got
Yes.
the feel to speak that they didn't include me. I was
Yes.
the one feeling I also wanted to say Inqilab
No,
Zindabad.
Yes.
I did not.
Ma'am, we can repeat that.
Ma'am, we can
Yes, ma'am.
repeat it.
Absolutely. So we can all do it. We can
Yes,
all
ma'am,
do
we
it.
can.
Yes,
If you'll
yes, we
allow
can
me,
repeat it.
Yes,
I will
yes,
imitate
we
it
can
and
repeat.
we all can join it. So let's
Yeah,
start
yeah,
it once
sure.
again.
Wonderful.
Inqilab!
Zindabad.
Inqilab!
Zindabad.
Inqilab!
Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Wow!
That was good, yeah.
What an energy!
Thank you so
What an
much.
energy!
Bless you.
मुझे ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि आज ऊपर रहकर भगत सिंह सबसे ज्यादा खुश हो रहे होंगे क्योंकि आज उनके नाम पर हम नारा लगा रहे हैं और उनकी जो आइडियोलॉजी है उसको फिर से हम जीवित कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely
Awesome.
correct.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
I mean, the
Wonderful.
voice, usually I also speak very loud and I just love to hear loud voices with Josh. And
Yes,
there were like
yes.
certain members, I'm jotting it down, I have the sheet in front of me. I'm jotting
Correct,
it down,
ma'am.
trust me. The voices
Correct,
that
ma'am.
I got it was so loud and full of Josh. This is what is required आज के दिन. अगर आज
Absolutely.
के दिन भी अपना खून नहीं खोला तो वो क्या जवानी है. That is
क्या
that
जवानी है.
of रंगे बसंती.
वाह 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 वाह
Yes,
रंग
ma'am.
दे बसंती
And
चोला
ma'am,
माहे रंग
yes,
दे वाह
absolutely
वाह
correct. That is the-
वंडरफुल
ये लाइन सुनी है आप लोगों ने? Have you ever
Yes.
heard these lines?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम
Yes,
ये
अगर
डायलॉग
ma'am.
अब भी
आता है
आपका
ना,
खून नहीं खोला तो ये
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
आपकी रगों में बह रहा है वो खून नहीं पानी है।
पानी है,
Correct.
absolutely
Yes.
correct. That was, that goes like this. अभी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो
काम न
बेकार जवानी है।
जवानी है
That
जवानी
is
है।
the
Yes.
वाह 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 वाह
रंग दे बसंती। तो ये जो एक सच में आप लोगों ने बोला खून खौला, वो फील हुआ synchronized way में, that was very good, very nice. ठीक है, let's go ahead.
awesome thank you so much ma'am
Thank you.
such beautiful words and thank you so much Bhagat Singh. Okay guys, team Bhagat Singh, now this is the time for the exam, real test. Are you guys ready? You guys are ready or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, show me thumbs
Ready,
up
ready,
guys, show me thumbs up.
absolutely ready.
All those audience who are watching us live all over the world, I can see that they are also super excited for the quiz round.
Absolutely
Let's
correct,
start it,
yes.
let's start it guys, let's start it.
speak it this way.
Bhagat Singh.
Absolutely
Yes,
correct.
yes.
There are a lot of people who are watching us. There are a lot of people who are going
Correct.
to watch us. So let's
Correct,
be an
ma'am.
inspiration for all of them. Absolutely.
Yes, yes. So guys, Bhagat Singh, team Bhagat Singh, here is the first question for you guys.
Okay.
The uncle of Mr. Bhagat Singh, Mr. Swaran Singh, died in which place and when? I'm repeating the question.
I'll
The
repeat
uncle
it.
of
I'll
Mr.
repeat it.
Please,
I'll
please,
repeat
ma'am.
it.
Ma'am, please.
The uncle of Mr. Bhagat Singh, Mr. Swaran Singh, died in which place and when?
Your time starts now.
The uncle of Mr. Bhagat Singh, Mr. Swaran Singh, died in which place and when? Mr. Swaran Singh. You can do it. Come on.
May
Stop.
9.
Stop. Your time has been passed. Stop, guys. So the answer is he died at his home, which is situated in Lahore, and the date was 1910. 1910.
Absolutely
Okay.
correct. All the audience that are watching this live, he died at his home in Lahore in 1910, and we are talking about Mr. Bhagat Singh's uncle. We are not talking about Mr. Bhagat Singh. We are talking about Mr. Bhagat Singh uncle, Mr. Swaran Singh. Let's
Yes,
go ahead to the
absolutely
next
right.
question.
Okay, let's moving to the second question. Guys, you guys ready? Here is the second question for you guys. Mr. Bhagat Singh got inspired from which foreign revolutionary to bomb in Central Legislative Assembly of India? I will request ma'am to please repeat the question again.
I'll repeat the question once again. Mr. Bhagat Singh got inspired from which foreign revolutionary to bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly? In the sense, he had bombed the Central Legislative Assembly. From which person he got the inspiration? Who was
Your
that?
time starts now.
Auguste Vaillant. He was French anarchist.
Oh,
Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Bhumika. You got a point. Great. Awesome. You got it correct.
very good. Very
It is Auguste anarchist. It's Auguste Vaillant, and he was a French anarchist. Okay,
Absolutely
great,
correct.
awesome. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. Mr. Bhagat Singh wrote for which newspaper? Mr. Bhagat Singh wrote for which newspaper?
Yes, yes. Go ahead, Ritika. Go ahead.
Your time starts now.
Veer Arjun newspaper.
Wow.
Absolutely correct.
So
Can
I
you
repeat-
tell me, guys, where it was published? Any idea?
In New Delhi. Delhi.
Absolutely correct. Wow, wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, please
So
repeat the
I'll
answer
repeat
once.
for
Yes.
all the audience that is listening us live or that is going to listen us live. Mr. Bhagat Singh wrote for which newspaper? The name of the newspaper was Veer Arjun. This was the name of the newspaper. I'm repeating again all across the India, all across the world, Veer Arjun. And it was published at where I'm sitting, Delhi only.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's
Correct,
go ahead to the next
correct.
question.
Coming to the next question for you guys. Question number 4. What were those pseudonym or nicknames which were used by Mr. Bhagat Singh? वो कौन से ऐसे नेम्स थे जो भगत सिंह के द्वारा इस्तेमाल किया गया था? Your time starts now. Ma'am, if you want, you can
Yeah,
repeat the
yeah.
I would
question
like to
once.
answer. I would like to answer.
Please, Shibam, 1 minute.
Ran-
Ma'am is
Ran-
going to
Ran-
answer for
okay,
all
okay.
over the India.
Let the question be repeated so that even the audience who will listen us live
Yes.
will also come to know.
Absolutely.
What were those pseudonyms or nicknames which were used by Mr. Bhagat Singh? What were those nicknames? Please go ahead.
Your time starts now.
Ranjit and Virodhi.
There is one more.
Guys, still you have 2 seconds, 3 seconds more. One more name is there. It's not the complete answer. I'm telling you. Let me tell you. 3, 2,
Balwant.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Ritika, for Ritika, you guys got one more correct answer. Congratulations, Ritika and the team. Thank you, guys. So here is the fifth question, ma'am. You can answer the question once again for all our live people who are watching us live.
So the answers are Balwant. What is the next name? Balwant,
Ranjit and Vidrohi.
Virodhi.
So these were the names which he used. Tempter, you know, that's called pseudonym. To just change, जैसे हम लोग name रखते हैं वैसे ही उन्होंने रखा था बचने के लिए. Yes.
Revolutionary, Balwant and Ranjit. Vidrohi,
Ranjit.
that is revolutionary, Balwant and Ranjit.
Ranjit.
Let's
Correct.
go ahead.
Absolutely
Next.
correct. So, guys, here is your fifth question. Question number 5 for you guys. The jail authorities secretly cremated the bodies of Mr. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and threw the ashes into which river? Ma'am, please repeat the question once
I'll
again.
repeat the question once again. I told you that. Oh my God, I can see so many hands live. क्या चल रहा है?
Awesome. Very nice. Very
I'll
nice.
repeat
Good.
the question.
I think
I'll
these
repeat
people
the
have
question.
already connected to many questions. Wonderful. Ma'am, please repeat the question.
The jail authorities secretly cremated, chupke, chori, they secretly cremated the bodies of Mr. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru and threw the ashes into which river? So I would like to pass on to Vaishnavi. Please go ahead.
Your time starts now.
In Satluj River.
Wow.
Okay,
Awesome.
that's very,
Very good. And can you guys tell me?
Yes.
Can you guys tell me it was how far from Firozpur? Any idea?
Around 8 to 10 kilometers.
Yeah, very
Absolutely
good.
correct. It's 10 kilometer. Yes,
Excellent.
tentatively it's 10 kilometer.
So I'm
Yep.
repeating the answer once again for all the people who are listening us live. Satluj River. Very good.
Correct.
Let's
Correct.
go ahead.
Okay. It was a great session. I hope I'm passing the mic to Kanis. Kanis, any more point you want to stay or I should proceed with the music session?
Yes, thank you so much, Rohit, for inviting me. Let's proceed to the music round.
Awesome. Wonderful. So, guys, after this thrilling session of quiz, now we are moving forward another round of music where you guys need to guess which song it is. I'm going to play the song and you guys be ready to check to guess the name of the song. Team Bhagat Singh, here is the song for you guys.
मेरा नाम मंगेश है। मेरे बच्चे की प्रीटर्म डिलीवरी हुई है 6.5 महीने में।
Okay.
Okay, I'm playing it once again, guys. Listen carefully. Okay, please tell me the song name. It's 15 seconds of play. Your time starts now, guys.
Days mere.
No, it's not correct.
Bar bar ha.
No, it's not correct. Absolutely nice guess, but it's not correct, unfortunately. Guys, you have only 2 seconds left. Please, fast.
Oh my God.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Yes, you missed it. Okay, let me tell you, this song was Challa from movie Uri,
Oh,
The Surgical Strike.
Okay.
the surgical strike.
Yes. The music, as you have heard, this was one of the best views reviews movie in India, and the main character was, I think,
Vicky Kaushal.
Yes, Vicky Kaushal was the main character.
Yes.
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you. Okay, proceeding to next song for you guys.
Yes.
Okay, so here is the song, guys. Guess the song. 15 seconds is over. Now touch time starts now.
माँ तुझे सलाम,
No,
This is a little easy. Come on, you can do it.
वंदे मातरम,
no. Only 3 more seconds. It's 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Okay.
Stop, guys. Stop. So you missed the answer, but okay, let me tell you, this was a very easy song, as ma'am has just told me. The song name is Ab Tumhare Hawale Watan Sathiyon. Ab Tumhare Hawale Watan Sathiyon. It was a great guess. In fact, Bhumika was somewhere nearby. She was giving her best. But anyways, unfortunately, she couldn't. But not to be worried. You guys did a lot of great work in before sections, like previous sessions. Wonderful. All the very best, guys. Now I'm requesting Kanish and Ritika to proceed further. Over to you, Kanish.
Very good.
Thank you so
guys.
much, Rohit, for inviting me again. Now, without a further ado, let's move towards our next presentation or next performance, I would say. So the next, I would like to invite Ritika and Shivom, who are going to be singing a beautiful song, Zindagi Maut Na Ban Jaye. Ritika and Shivom, please, we are waiting for you.
Thank you, Kanishk.
Thank you, Kanish. Thank you so much. So here it goes. जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, हो रहा चैनो अमन, हो रहा चैनो अमन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में जला लो यारो,
जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, खो रहा चैनो अमन, खो रहा चैनो अमन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में जला लो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो.
Very good.
एक तरफ प्यार है, चाहत है, वफादारी है, एक तरफ देश में धोखा है, गद्दारी है,
बस्तियां सहमी हुई सहम चमन सारा है, गम में क्यों डूबा हुआ आज सब नजारा है,
आग पानी की जगह अब्र बरसाएंगे, लहलहाते हुए सब खेत झुलस जाएंगे, जाएंगे जाएंगे, हो रहा चैनो अमन, हो रहा चैनो अमन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में जला लो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो.
चंद सिक्कों के लिए तुम न करो काम बुरा, हर बुराई का सदा होता है अंजाम बुरा, जुल्म वालों की कहा उम्र बड़ी है यारो, इनकी राहों में सदा मौत खड़ी है यारो, जुल्म करने से सदा जुल्म ही हासिल होगा, जो न सच बात कहे वो कोई बुज़दिल होगा, सरफरोशों ने लहू दे के जिसे सींचा है, ऐसे गुलशन को उजड़ने से बचा लो यारो,
सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में जला लो यारो, यारो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
you.
Thank you.
Without
Wow.
music, there was no
What?
music.
Very nice.
There
Very
was
nice.
no
Amazing.
But
Wow.
the voice
Wow.
was so euphonic and melodious. How did the two of you manage without music? There was no music. They were so feeling.
It was only. It was.
I was feeling that. Am I doing anything in my life or not? Zindagi
Yes. Yes. And ma'am, let me tell
Thank
you
you so
one
much,
thing,
ma'am.
that these guys really worked really hard. They have worked really hard, ma'am.
The way they
Really
both were
hard.
singing, kisko kam bole, kisko zyada bole, it's very difficult. Ritika, Shivam, you two should try into singing without music. यार ऐसा है तो अगर अभी तो modulation होता है music industry में, if that would have been
Amazing.
done, you would have done wonders. Very good. Please
Amazing.
keep it up.
Amazing,
Thank you,
guys.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Goddess
Thank you.
Saraswati sits in your throat. Very good.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Very
Thank
good.
you so much.
The handsome gentleman and the beautiful girl. Very good. Let's go ahead.
Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you, ma'am.
What a melodious performance, mon amis. Thank you so much for this amazing and heartfelt performances. On this melodious note, we are moving to our next representations.
Yes.
Let me give you a hint by a slogan. इनकी गाथा छोड़ चले हम झांसी के मैदानों में, जहाँ खड़ी है लक्ष्मीबाई मर्द बनी मर्दानों में.
Camera on. Everybody should keep their
Yes.
camera on. Ritika?
Yes, you guessed it right. She is Jhansi ki Rani, who not only fought for humans, but from humans' mentality. I would like to invite Team Jhansi ki Rani to represent this pure soul.
Okay, first I want to ask you, I believe everyone can see the screen, the shared screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Visible.
Very nice.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. My name is Kanish Karya. I'm from Chandigarh, and my team name is Jhansi Ki Rani. And I would be highlighting about the early life of Manikarnika. Rani of Jhansi or Rani Lakshmibai's maiden was Manubai. Manubai or Manikarnika was born to Morapan Tambe and Bhagirathi Tambe on 19 November 1828 at Kashi, Varanasi. At the small age of about 3-4 years, she lost her mother and thus brought up by her father alone. After the death of her mother, Manubai and her father shifted to Bithur and started living with Peshwa Bajirao. Since childhood, Manu was inclined towards the use of weapon. She thus learned horse riding, sword fighting, martial arts, and mastered these. She was a beautiful, intelligent, and a brave girl. Manu spent her childhood in the company of Nana Sahib, the son of Peshwa Bajirao. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Now I would like to invite Ms. Sunanda Tiwari.
Very
Thank you,
good.
Kanis. Good evening, everyone. I am Sunanda, and I wish you a very happy Independence Day to Honorable Ma'am and to my dear friends. I feel very fortunate that I am sharing this priceless moment with this my beautiful family. Now I'm going to say a few lines
Wow.
on marriage of Maharani Jhansi.
Sunanda, that was very beautiful beginning. I'm sharing these priceless words with my beautiful family. That was a very natural, and especially those lines that I always say, I'm glad I saw that image, that reflection in your lines. Very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very good.
हुई वीरता की वैभव के साथ सगाई झांसी में, ब्याह हुआ रानी बनाई लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में, राजमहल में बजी बधाई खुशियां छाई झांसी में, चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया शिव को मिली भवानी थी, बूंदे ले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Manu got married to Raja Gangadhar Rao Nawalkar, Maharaja of Jhansi, and was now known as Rani Lakshmibai. In 1851, she gave birth to Damodar Rao, who died when he was just 4 months old. Thus, in 1853, Gangadhar Rao adopted a child, named him after his son Damodar Rao. But unfortunately, Gangadhar Rao died soon due to illness, and Lord Dalhousie, then Governor General of India, denied this adoption. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to call Rohan for the next. Over to you, Rohan.
Yes, thank you, Sunanda.
Thank you, Sunanda. Happy Independence Day to everyone. I am Rohan Sahana and I would be talking about the mutiny of 1857. In 1857, there broke out the first war of Indian independence. The revolt soon spread to Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, and other parts of the country. The revolutionaries declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as their king. Rani Lakshmi Bai also joined the revolt and took command of the revolutionary forces. She captured the Jhansi fort on June 7, 1857 and began to rule on behalf of her minor son Damodar Rao. On 20th March 1858, the British sent a massive force under Sir Hugh Rose to recapture Jhansi. She was supported by Tatya Tope. It was a severe battle in which both the parties suffered heavy loss. Eventually, the Britishers recaptured the fort by betrayal. However, Rani Lakshmibai escaped with some of her loyal followers and reached Kalpi. Soon, with the help of Tatya Tope and Rao Sahib, she captured the Gwalior fort from Jivaji Rao Sindhya. Now I would like to give my mic to Miss Abhilasha.
थैंक यू रोहन।
थैंक यू।
उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदले हरबलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Independence Day to all. I am Abhilasha from Assam. It's a pleasure to meeting you all. I am in the team from Jhansi Ki Rani and my topic is dissolution of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Sindhi asked the British for help and they willingly extended their support. In the battle, she fought with bravely and gallantry heroism. She was wounded by one of the English horsemen and collapsed. She fought with her son and died with her tied on her back and died with her sword in her hand. Ramachandra Rao, her loyal attendant, immediately removed her body and lit the funeral pyre. Thus, the British could not even touch her. She martyred on 18 June 1857 at Kota Ki Sire in Gwalior. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Dinesh Sudhar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू अभिलाषा। उखाड़ फेंका हर दुश्मन को जिसने झांसी का अपमान किया, उखाड़ फेंका हर दुश्मन को जिसने झांसी का अपमान किया, मर्दानी की परिभाषा बनकर, मर्दानी की परिभाषा बनकर आज़ादी का पैगाम दिया, आज़ादी का पैगाम दिया। Good evening, beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen. This is Dinesh Uthar from Rajasthan. I belong to team Jhansi Ki Rani and I would be taking the last part. Indian history has not yet witnessed a woman warrior as brave and powerful as Rani of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai. She martyred herself in a struggle to attain Swaraj and liberate India from British rule. Rani Lakshmi Bai is a glorious example of patriotism and national pride. She is an inspiration and admiration for lots of people. Her name is thus written in a golden letter in the history of India and will always stay in every Indian heart. At last, I would to say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, everyone, and I would to all to Kanishk.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
That's
much.
all.
Thank you so much, Dinesh. Everyone, that was from Team Jhansi Ki Rani, and we would like to end this presentation with Vande
Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, team.
For again, putting that
Jhansi Ki
notion
Rani.
beside us. Okay.
Yes. Now I would like to call Rohit for the quizzes round.
Thank you so much, Ritika. What a beautiful presentation. Who shows the power of a woman in India, and this is nothing that nobody can ever thought that a Rani, she was something that filled of luxury and all those aristocracy and everything, but she left it for the Mother India. Beautiful representation by the Kanishk and team. Wow. And the Nara, wow. Vande Mataram. It touched my heart. Awesome, ma'am. What a spectacular presentation by team. And I hope you can also see, and all our team who are watching us live, they can also feel that charm in their self for the Mother India, for our country. माँ भारती के लिए जो चाहत है, वो जो जज्बा है, वो इस टीम के जरिए उन सबके पास कोने कोने तक पहुंचा होगा आज इस शुभ अवसर पर। जय भारती, जय भारती. So guys, now let's proceed the most exciting part of this presentation, this meet, that is quiz round. As you have seen, there are some certain rules and you guys are going to follow that. Let's move ahead. And guys who all are watching us, are you guys ready for the quiz? Are you guys ready to guess the answers? So let's start it. Team Jhansi Ki Rani, here is the first question for you guys. What was the name and profession of Rani Lakshmi Bai's father? I would like to request ma'am to repeat the question once again.
I'll repeat that. All across India, all across the world, what was the name and profession of Rani Lakshmi Bai's father? Name and profession.
Your time starts now. Guys, your time starts now.
The father name was Moropan Tambe.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
And he was
Very good.
he was a worker to a king.
What is his profession? Please specific. You have only 5 seconds left, 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left. Guys, come on, fast.
He was
profession?
the commander of war.
He was the warrior.
No. Please try. Stop, guys. Stop. Your time has been completed. Stop. Mr. Moropan Tambe, he was an advisor. He was an advisor in the Peshwa court of Vithor. Ma'am, I would like to tell you, please repeat it for all our audience.
Repeat the answer. The answer is Lakshmi Bai's father. His name was Moropan Tambe. That you are absolutely correct. But his profession was he was an advisor in the Peshwa court of Vithur.
Yes.
In the Peshwa court of Vithur, he was an advisor.
Correct.
Perfectly fine.
Okay, guys, there is a small announcement for you guys as our program will go on. Guys, here is an announcement that our singer, our star performer, Mr. Harsh has joined us. Wow. Give a huge round of applause for him, guys. Ma'am, I hope we will proceed it and definitely we are going to connect you, Harsh. Harsh, I would like to request, please have patience and wait for this round. I hope you are also going to enjoy this round. Harsh, can you say hi to everyone once? Mr. Harsh, can you say hi to everyone?
Harsh is there. Harsh got disconnected.
Yes, ma'am, he got disconnected.
He has got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. In that case, he might be joining again. Some technical glitches there. Okay, ma'am, let's proceed to our second question for Team Jhansi Ki Rani. Jhansi Ki Rani, here is your second question for you guys. Be ready for that. What was the initial name of Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son? Yes, ma'am. Please repeat the question once.
What was the initial name of Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son? Very good, Sunanda. Please go ahead.
Anandrao.
Yes, time starts now. Absolutely correct. This is the correct answer. Sunanda got correct. Wow, wonderful. So, ma'am, please announce the answer for all our live people who are joining us.
I'm announcing it. I'll just mark it. So, the question was, what was the initial name of Rani Lakshmi Bai's adopted son? So, the name was Anand Rao, who was the son of King Gangadhar Rao's cousin. Anand Rao is the name. Absolutely.
Yes, and let me tell you guys, this name later on it changed to the first son of Rani Lakshmi Bai, that is Damodar Rao. So after some days, his name Anand Rao, his name got changed to Damodar Rao, which was the name of the first son of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely correct.
So guys, for the third question for you guys, here it is. On the behalf of which doctrine, Lord Dalhousie mentioned that the Damodar Rao has no right to the throne as he was an adopted child of King Gangadhar Rao. Ma'am, over to you.
I'll repeat that. On behalf of which doctrine Lord Dalhousie, like there was some doctrine on which Lord Dalhousie mentioned that Damodar Rao has got no right to the throne. as he was just an adopted child of King Gangadhar Rao. Yes, please, Sunanda, go ahead.
Guys, your time starts now.
Doctrine of lapse. Doctrine of
Wow,
lapse.
doctrine of lapse.
Wow. What a beautiful answer. Wow.
Very good.
Great.
Good going.
Great question and great answer. Thank you so much. Now moving to the fourth question, guys, for you. What was the name of most famous woman warrior in Rani Lakshmibai's army? What was the name of most famous woman warrior in Rani Lakshmibai's army? Ma'am, over to you.
Okay, I'll repeat that. What was the name of that famous women warrior in the Rani Lakshmibai's army?
Your time starts now, guys.
She has been shown in the movie as well.
Yes.
She is linked to Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, ma'am, correct. I've given the hint now.
3, 2, 1. Stop. Stop, guys. Stop. Your time has been lapsed. Stop. The answer is Jhalkari Bai. Ma'am, please repeat the answer. The answer is Jhalkari Bai.
Jhalkari Bai was that lady in the army of Rani Lakshmibai. She showed
Absolutely.
bravery. She showed
Absolutely
great bravery and
correct.
courage.
Absolutely correct, guys. She was the one who was leading the entire army, and she was not less than Lakshmibai, as she was very brave and ferocious. Okay, next, moving to the last and final question for you guys. Please be ready. Which British army officer described her, that means Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai, as smart, beautiful, and most dangerous leader in the Indian freedom struggle? Over to you, ma'am.
Okay. So, which British army officer described her as smart, beautiful, and the most dangerous leader of the Indian freedom struggle? He said that she was very difficult to battle with. Who said that?
Time starts now, guys.
Huge roast.
Agros.
Huge roast.
Okay, great. Wow,
Very
awesome.
astonished.
You got it correct, guys.
Rose was a senior British army officer all across India, all across the world. Those who are listening to us.
Correct, correct.
The man
What a
said
be-
that she fought like a male. No male can actually battle with her in comparison to her bravery, her courage, her strength. You know, she was incomparable. As a lady, she fought like a man.
So,
this
guys,
is said by
all
him.
those beautiful guys and beautiful gentlemen, beautiful ladies, never feel yourself that you are not less than anybody. Okay, especially all those beautiful girls, beautiful girls.
Only after you told us, we have started feeling more empowered now.
Awesome. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So here is the answer, and question and answer round has been finished. I hope you guys got it 3 correct out of 5.
Yes,
okay,
absolutely.
please proceed. I would like to request Kanis to proceed further.
Yes, now after the quizzes round, we are going to invite Rohit for the music round. Rohit, please take over.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, after the round of question and answer, now everybody who are watching us, be ready once again to guess the song correctly. So, guys, are you ready? Team Jhansi Ki Rani, you guys are ready?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, here is the first song for you guys. Be ready. I'm going to play it.
Yes. I want.
Okay, now your time starts now.
Yes. I am
Yes,
here.
Sunanda, please go ahead.
Des Rangila Rangila.
Des Rangila Rangila.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes.
What a beautiful.
Sunanda, you
Great.
have to sing as well in that case.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Great.
If I-
Wonderful.
Okay,
Good
just kind of
question.
initial
Nice
lines.
guess.
Okay.
Desh mein
Yeah,
Rangila, what is that?
जहाँ कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली की रंगोली 7 रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है आनी अंबर ताने मौसम है
Very good,
रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला. Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful. Great. Wow. Wow.
Let's go ahead.
So, okay. Guys, for second song, please be ready to guess it. Here it is. Okay, now 50 seconds are over. I hope you guess the song. Your time starts now, guys. It is very famous song. Let me tell you, it is very famous song. Everybody sang it while we have represented our school time, you know. It's very famous song. Guys, 3 seconds more. 3, 2, 1. Stop. The song name is मेरी देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरा मोती मेरी देश की धरती. Wow.
Anyway, let's
This
go ahead.
song, yes. So it was a great performance by team Jhansi Ki Rani. So guys, let me tell you, our singer Mr. Harsh has joined us. I would like to invite Mr. Harsh. Mr. Kanisk, I'm asking to please invite Mr. Harsh, our star singer of this event. Over to you, Kanisk.
Okay, absolutely. Thank you so much, Rohit, for inviting me. Everyone was eager to sink into the depth of patriotic music and song. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we were waiting for is here. Now I would like to call upon Harsh. But before inviting him, I want to say happy birthday, Harsh.
Happy birthday, Harsh.
Happy
Thank you so much,
birthday.
everyone. Thank you so much.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Harsh.
Happy birthday, Harsh.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Very good night.
What a beautiful day you got. You took place your birth, ma'am. I would like to ask you, to request you to say a few words for our singer as it's his birthday, ma'am.
Definitely. Harsh, I mean, we are really glad and we are honored that you have joined us today on this auspicious occasion to actually
Thank you so
sing the
much.
song. It's your birthday and you had every right to say no, but on this birthday you have joined us. You have actually,
Thank you.
kind of graced us with your presence. That
Big
is
respect.
very good. We are really very thankful to you for giving us this particular moment, this thing with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to request Kanisk and Ritika, please guide Mr. Harsh as he is going to perform live, as we are already 4:52. So we are going to, I think 2-3 presentations are left that we can proceed after this song. Please,
Thank you so
Ritika.
much,
Yes, Rohit, yes, we can do it afterwards. Many happy returns of the day, Harsh.
Thanks,
We are
Ritika.
really grateful that you are here on your birthday. So I would like to say you that you may proceed with your performances. We all are here and waiting to listen you.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I'm feeling so lucky that I'm a part of it on Independence, and I'm having such great listeners. Thank you so much, everyone, for bringing me here in front of good listeners on very good day. So it's my birthday as well, and I took my grandfather's batch. He was in Navy, Commander Amar Singh. So it's a big day for me as well. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna sing a song for all of you. Thank you so much. So let me sing. Huh?
Thank you, Harsh, for joining us today. Thank you. Guys, everybody, please mute your mic. I request you.
गुजरने वाली हवा बता, गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे, मेरे वहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा, मेरे घर उसको मेरे प्यार का नाम दे, उसे मेरे प्यार का नाम दे। कि वहीं थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, वहाँ रहती है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ, मेरी माँ के पैरों को छूम के उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे। It's a very special day for all of us. Sing name. संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम ये घर सोना सोना है। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आग से दरिया बहता है, तू गया दीदी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा घनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है जाना, अब जो भी हो शोला बन के। वाह! कंधों से मिलते हैं गंदे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। So this is one of my favorite lines, you know.
Just a sec, Rohit. If you can just ask him to come a little closer to the microphone so that the voice could be loud. Now the voice is a little slow in volume. Harsh, if you can come
Definitely.
a little closer to the microphone.
I'm audible now. I'm audible now. Hello, check.
Yeah, you're audible, but maybe the voice volume is a little low. So if maybe it could be increased a little bit, we can.
It's higher from my end. It's too higher from my end, you know.
Oh, it's
I can't
too high?
increase.
So
Yes.
class, do you feel that the volume is a little low?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's good.
It's audible. It's good.
Okay,
It's
so
quite
maybe
Good,
It's
ma'am.
fine now.
Perfect.
Thank you.
okay.
Now it's fine.
कि जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। ये वतन वतन में आबाद रहे तो, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Thank you so much, everyone. Big respect, everyone. Thank you so much.
Wow. What a beautiful performance.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Superb.
We could just feel your song to our heart, you know.
Wow. Really.
That was really a tuneful performance. My heart and soul is filled with patriotism and a proudness that we are Indian. Have an
Thank you very much.
euphonious voice, and I barely take my ears off of your song. We are very grateful. It's your birthday, and you are here for us and for our country to pay a musical tribute to all the freedom fighters. Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much, Harsh, and wishing you a very happy birthday with lots of joy, happiness, and success.
Thank you so much. I want to say special thanks to Team Shruti Gaura and Rohit sir, who bring me here in front of such an amazing listeners, amazing people you all are. Thank you so much, yeah. And stay connected as you can search me on Google as well. I'm Harsh Singer is my username
Yeah, Harsh, we
everywhere.
would be grateful
Yes.
if you could share your kind of, links, social media links with us.
Definitely, yeah. You
Maybe
can
you can
just you can
forward it
search. Mm-hmm.
to
Okay,
Rohit as
so
well, and Rohit can let us know as well. But if you feel like, right, we would love to, see you. We would love to be a part of your network as well.
definitely. Let me tell you all. I'm on social media as the same name. I am Harsh Singer. Everywhere, like I'm having same username
Yes.
everywhere on Instagram. On you can search me on Google as well. So Rohit sir will share everything. So Rohit sir, thank you so much. Big respect. I have to take leave
Yes,
now.
yes, definitely. And
Thank
thank
you.
you so
Jai
much.
Hind, Jai Mata Di.
Thank you so much for joining us live. It was Harsh.
Sir,
Jai Hind, Harsh.
Jai
sir,
Hind.
Guys, please,
can
please, please
can
follow
everyone
him on
please say,
Instagram.
everyone please say with me Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Jai.
जय जय
Bharat Mata ki
Jai. Jai.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much. Thank you.
for your
Wonderful. So let's go ahead.
Kanishk,
Yes,
I'm requesting you to please.
absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again. So let's start with our next representation, guys. And Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This famous slogan was coined by our former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, recognizing the need for self-sustenance and self-reliance as the pillar to build a strong nation. Team Shastri would be presenting next.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you so much, Kanish, for inviting us. Just a sec, I'm representing my presentation. Jai. On this auspicious day, Independence Day, I would like to take a great pleasure to talk about a great follower and a beloved student of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He is none other than Lal Bahadur Shastri ji.
Wow.
Today, I, Ritika Joshi, captain of Team Shastri, with my teammates Shubham Jangir,
Yes.
Palak Verma,
Yes.
Richa Roy,
Yes.
and Garbita Verma, giving a small tribute to Shastri ji, representing his journey briefly. Shastri ji was a simple, exemplary lifestyle, visionary ideas, and gigantic dreams. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai, province of Agra and Oudh. His ideas are clear with us in the form of his quotes, and one of which are his preservation of freedom is not the task of the soldier alone, but the whole nation has to be strong. Shows his vision, leadership, wiseness, and humbleness. With his roots there, Sarai, he owes academics from Harishchandra High School and East Central Inter College. He not only served the country as a freedom fighter, but also as the second Prime Minister of India. He also encouraged women empowerment and is the first one who introduced lady bus conductors to normalize the situation for everyone. He also worked for the betterment of the lower caste people who were referred to as Harijans. Now, I would like to call Shubham Jangir to take over the next part.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Ritika, for inviting me. While Shastri and his family had no link to the independence movement, then taking shape among his teachers at Harishchandra School was an instantly patriotic and highly respected teacher, Ms. Kameswar Prasad Misra, who gave Shastri much needed financial support by allowing him to tutor his children. Shastri took a deep interest in freedom struggle and began to study its history. When Shastri in 10th standard and 3 months from sitting the final examination, he attended a public meeting in Banaras hosted by Gandhiji and Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Inspired by Mahatma's call for students to withdraw from government school and join non-corporation movement, Shastri did same and joined the local branch of Congress as a volunteer. He was soon arrested and jailed, but was then let off as he was a still minor. I would like to invite Palak for brief more about Shastri.
Thank you, Shubham, for inviting me. In 1928, Shastriji became an active and mature member of the Indian National Congress at the call of Mahatma Gandhi. He was imprisoned for 2.5 years. In 1940, he was sent to prison for 1 year for offering individual satyagraha support to the independence movement. He led many defiant campaigns and spent a total of 7 years in British jail. When the Congress government was formed in 1946, he was appointed parliamentary secretary in his home state of UP and soon rose to the position of Home Minister. Now, I would like to call Richa upon the stage.
Thank you, Palak, for inviting me. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He played a key role in White Revolution to make India self-reliant in milk production. In 1911, Shastri was made the Secretary of All India National Congress, and thereby he played a vital role in the success of Congress party. Shastriji's greatest moment came when he led India in 1965 Indo-Pak War. In this time, India was facing huge shortage of food and was dependent on foreign export. That time, Shastri ji brought agriculture to the attention of the Planning Commission, and this change in direction was the driving force behind the Green Revolution. Shastri ji gave the famous slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kishan during the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War to boost the morale of soldiers and the farmers in the backdrop of the crucial war. Now I'm going to call Garvita for the next part.
Thank you for inviting me, Richa. So, today we know Shastriji for something he may not have been trained for as a war leader. Shastriji died in Tashkent on 11 January 1966, one day after signing the peace agreement to end the Indo-Pak War. Shastriji was awarded with Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, posthumously in 1966. He threw himself into the struggle for freedom from feverish energy. He led many campaigns and was a seasoned freedom fighter who spent 9 years in British jail. He was deeply influenced by political teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. He always said, hard work is equal to prayer. He was also follow the political ideals of nationalist theory, liberal theory, and right-wing theory. He came to be known as man of integrity and competence. We always remember him for what he did for our nation to overcome the difficulties. He is an indispensable part of Indian freedom struggle, and I must say, such leaders are hard to find in today's world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here we are going to say a slogan, Jina ho to
गूंज उठा
मर
ये
न
सारा
सीखो
गूंज उठा ये नारा है
केरल से कारगिल घाटी तक सारा देश हमारा है जय हिंद
जय हिंद
जय भारत
जय भारत.
Perfect.
थैंक यू मैम
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
That was
Thank you,
beautiful.
guys. Thank you. Yes.
Awesome, awesome.
Thank you. Thank
Great.
you so much, guys, for your presentation.
Great, great.
And now I'd like to call Rohit for the quiz round and team. Please be ready.
Okay, thank you, Kanisk. Thank you so very much. What a wonderful representation by Team Shastri, because he was our former Prime Minister, one of our second Prime Minister of India. Guys, who all are watching us live, let me tell you one thing. Shastri is the one who wanted India to be united by his slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Guys, he was wonderful personality, tremendous personality, and who led our country to up to that level that India is still remembering him on this day. Thank you so much, Team Shastri. Okay, guys, all people who are present, who are watching, let's go to our most interesting round, that is quiz round for Team Lal Bahadur Shastri. Ma'am, I would like to request you to support me to repeat the questions and answers as well for all our live people who are watching us live. Thank you, guys. Let's start it. Team Lal Bahadur Shastri, the first question for you guys. Mr. Shastri thoughts were influenced by whom? Over to you.
Mr. Shastri's thoughts were influenced by whom? Like, who influenced Mr. Shastri's thoughts?
Your time starts now, guys.
Yes, Ritika.
Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Elephant, and
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant, and
Swami Vivekanand.
Swami Vivekanand.
Okay. So, Garvita, do you have
Okay, guys, here. Yes. Who is the first person? The first person he always who influenced the more. I'm talking about the person who influenced him more. Tell one name.
Nishkameshwar Prasad Mishra.
Nishkameshwar Prasad.
When he was in class 10, Nishkameshwar Prasad Mishra, his teacher.
His teacher.
Garvita, you are saying
Okay, all those answers are correct. But let me tell you, it will be up to ma'am as she is deciding. But let me tell you, it was Swami Vivekanand who influenced him the most. Once you will read more about him, that you will come to know Swami Vivekananda. Absolutely right, all other people have influenced him, but Swami Vivekananda influenced him the more, because he always used to say that if you want to carry forward a nation, you have to follow the principle of education, knowledge. Okay, that is very important.
But he influenced by his teacher when he was in class 10th, and after that, when he was attending a seminar, he influenced by Mahatma Gandhi ji when he was attending his seminar in Banaras.
Yes, absolutely. In class 10. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. That is why I told you it is up to ma'am how she is going to mark it, and the answer in front of you, ma'am. Please, you can have a word, and we are so happy that at least you guys tried the best and you gave almost all answers. Great, guys, great. I think we should consider it, ma'am, because they have known. Yes, they have known the things. Okay. I would like to go to the next question.
No, I'm not giving them marks. You assume that I am learning, so I am giving them 0.
We will send you diamonds.
Okay.
Independence Day is going on, and they are what they are doing.
On live, they're bribing you now.
On live, he's still
They are not
driving.
good. We will also send you diamonds. We will send one more than them.
So this is.
If that is the case, then I'm giving them marks.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Wonderful. Congratulations, guys. You scored 1 mark on this point.
you.
Too much. Sorry, too much. Great. So coming to the next question for you guys. Mr. Shastri graduated from which discipline from Vidyapit? Over to you, ma'am.
Mahatma Gandhi Vidyapit.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Which stream from Vidyapit? Okay, so who's going to answer?
Your time starts now, guys.
Let the
Yes, ma'am.
answer.
In philosophy and ethics.
Wow, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Correct. You got it correct. Next question to you guys. Question number 3. Mr. Shastri laid the foundation stone of which port in 1964? Over to you, ma'am.
Mr. Shastri laid the foundation stone of which port? P-O-R-T, port in 1964.
Your time starts now, guys.
Yes.
You can try. You can give it a try. It's a port, guys. You have only 3 seconds more. 3, 2,
Where is Unacademy?
1. Stop. Stop. It was a great try from ma'am, but still it's a bad luck for the team. They could not even guess it right. But no, not to worry. Let me tell you the answer. It is Mangalore Port. Mangalore Port was foundation stone. The foundation stone has been, it was laid by Mr. Shastri in 1964.
Thinking at Unacademy is in Bangalore, so think of Bangalore. This is what I was thinking you.
Awesome. Great. I think all It's not, ma'am. It's not about these people who got confused. It's about all those people who are watching us live. I'm sure that they also got confused. And guys, I know for sure that something hit to your mind that you must be confused. But okay, let's proceed to our fourth question for the team Sastri. Who has organized the summit in Tashkent, formerly known as USSR? Tashkent, it was present in Russia right now. It was formerly known as USSR. In between India and Pakistan during the term when Mr. Sastri was the PM of India. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes. So who organized the summit in Tashkent in USSR between India and Pakistan during the term when Mr. Shastri was the PM in India? Who organized that Tashkent?
Your time starts now.
That Tashkent summit. Richa, go ahead.
Yeah, please.
Alexei Kosygin.
Wow. What a correct answer. Congratulations, Richa. You got it right. Great.
Absolutely correct.
It's Alexei Kosygin. Alexei Kosygin. He was a part of USSR government and he organized this meet. Okay, over to next question. Question number 5 for you guys. In which book and written by whom the wife of Mr. Sastri alleged that he was poisoned? Okay. Over to you, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Sorry, I'll repeat that. In which book, like his wife alleged? His wife has put the allegation that, her husband was poisoned.
Guys, here is 2 questions are here. One is the book name you have to tell, and who wrote this book. That you have to also tell. Please, your time starts now.
Let Ritika take that.
The book name is Lalita Ke Aasu, and it was written by Krant M.L. Verma in 1978.
Wow, wonderful.
Cheating going on, is it like
Wonderful.
No, ma'am.
No, man, हमने practice की है.
Wonderful. Great.
know the answers of such difficult questions? I'm wondering, class.
Actually, ma'am, we
Practice
researched
किया
a
ना.
lot.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
we are
researched.
discussing if we can also write a book on him.
Oh, great.
Search on
Rita tried
ChatGPT
to
so much that
wrote a book.
we are going to write a book, ma'am.
That means, ma'am, they have did the practice thoroughly. I can say that because as they have a thought of it, and definitely they should have done something great study and learning about Mr. Sastri. Wonderful.
Almost all the
Yes.
questions answers are correct. Only one is wrong. It's 4 on 5.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Wow. What a performance. Great. I'm requesting Mr. Kanis to please proceed further.
That was really a wonderful performance, even ma'am Rohit has said. So let's quickly move towards our next performance, and I'm really happy to announce this performance because these people are from my team. So without taking much of your time,
Song round.
Songs round.
Okay. So let's move to the song round.
Yeah.
I apologize.
Thank you, Kanis. Thank you so much. Guys, now, as you have already answered 4 out of 5 questions. Oh my God. What a wonderful answer. What a wonderful score. Great. Congratulations to all. So now, thank you. Now we are going to most amazing part of this meet. That is guessing the song name of patriotic song name on this day. So let's proceed. Okay, you guys are ready? All the people who are watching us live, you guys are ready? I'm going to play the song for 15 seconds. Watch it, listen it carefully.
She has already raised the hand. Ritika has already raised the hand, Rohit.
Oh, great.
Sanjay, hum fida.
Wow. What a quick answer, huh? What a quick answer. Great. Wonderful. Great. So, ma'am, I would like to tell you that these songs are keeping some sort of footprint on everybody's heart because this day we are listening all those patriotic songs. It is wonderful, ma'am. Wonderful. Okay. Now, Guys, let's proceed to the next song. Here it is for you. I'm going to play it for you guys. Just a second. There is a network error. It's playing. It's playing. Some sort of
Okay,
network
okay.
slow. It's playing, guys. Wait for a second.
Yeah.
So maybe do you want Kanish to play some initial kind of tune? Network error at your end, Rohit?
Yeah, but yeah, ma'am. There is some actually it's playing some sort of actually we have framed all those songs theme wise. So I'm doubt, but
You can send me. You
Forward
can
the
send
name
me.
of the song to Kanish. What he could do is that from the YouTube he can only play it for 15 seconds or 50 seconds.
Yes,
Whatsoever.
yeah, ma'am.
I
Yeah,
can do that.
that I'm trying, ma'am.
So you can WhatsApp him the name of the song
Yes,
and
yes.
then he can play it from the YouTube for initial kind of 15 seconds.
Correct. Kanish, I'm sharing the song name to you.
Kanish,
you-
don't leak it to Ritika.
No, ma'am.
Obviously not.
नहीं मैम हमने वैसे भी
eventually
प्रैक्टिस
we
की है
are-
बहुत प्रैक्टिस की है
Yeah, I
No,
saw
we
that,
can do it.
Shubham. I saw that. Yes.
Eventually, ma'am, Kanish is from another team.
We are competitors there, no?
Oh, sorry, yaar, I
We are
forgot
competitors.
that. आप लोग तो सब एक team में हो. He's in a different team. Why would he want your team to win? He wants his team to win.
In the end, everybody will win. I think.
Yeah.
Everybody is
That's
going
for
to
sure.
win.
That's for sure.
Everybody is going to win from this event, I'm sure.
Okay, Kanish, I have shared it. If you can play it once on the YouTube, huh?
But I just got I did not got the song name.
I think it's going to you.
Okay, if there is a network error, then there is a possibility that even messages will not go to you.
Yes. That is what happening, ma'am.
Okay. So is there anyone
Okay.
else?
It's there. Okay.
Ritika, go ahead.
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत जहाँ
Oh,
है प्रीत जहाँ
great.
की रीत सदा
Great. It seems that you guys have listened a lot. Great. Awesome.
Really awesome. This is really awesome.
Yeah.
क्या चल रहा है ये पावर
We
हाउस
did it.
आपने इनकी टीम में दे दिया है. So ये सारी पावर पल्लव, रिचा, गर्विता, रितिका, ये सारी जुग शुभम सारी पावर
Yes,
इनके
ma'am.
पास जा रही है.
रितिका ने बहुत मेहनत की है मैम इसके लिए
Yes, ma'am. वो देख
Yes,
रहा है.
ma'am.
It is like that गाना बजते ही she is raising the hand. Same
Yes,
as
ma'am.
Richa,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या चल
We
रहा
हाँ,
है?
ma'am.
practiced a lot, ma'am.
Yes,
Lord,
We have
बहुत
practiced a
practice
lot,
किया
ma'am. सबने
Every
मेहनत की
day
है actually.
we all.
Ma'am,
एवरी डे
अपनी
प्रैक्टिस की
टीम
हमने
पूरी पावर हाउस हो गई है. ठीक
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Yes.
go ahead.
Thank you. Let's proceed to Kanish.
Yes.
Thank you,
That
ma'am.
was- that was-
Thank you so much.
That is really amazing. That is really amazing. So thank you so much, guys. First, I would like to request you all, if you're presenting your screen, to switch it off. And now let's move to our next performance, and that would be Abhilasha and Rohan. So from my team, and they would be singing a song "Sandese Aate Hain" by Sonu Nigam. Abhilasha and Rohan, over to you.
Thank you, Kanish. Rohan, are you there?
Yes.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है।
संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछी जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ
ए गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे।
मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे।
वहीं थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरी घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ।
मेरी माँ के पैर को छू के तू उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे।
ए गुजरने वाली हवा जरा, मेरी दोस्तों मेरे दिलरुबा, मेरी माँ को मेरा पयाम दे, उन्हें जाके तू ये पयाम दे।
मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, फिर अपने गाँव में उसी की छाँव में।
कि माँ की आंचल से, गाँव के पीपल से, किसी की काजल से किया जो वादा था वो निभाऊंगा। मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Wow, friends.
Beautiful, beautiful. Wow.
My God, you two
What a
were
wonderful
fab
song.
यार, you two were no mic, nothing, कुछ भी नहीं है, इतनी loud volume. I love, I mean seriously, synchronization, boys. मैं वापस आऊंगा. Wow, seriously, I felt that thing. The movie I saw in my
Thank you so
childhood.
much, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You two, I knew that Abhilasha is a singer. Rohan, that was like you never knew that a singer was hidden behind an engineer. It was industry never told that. That was good. Very
Great,
good.
great, great.
Fine.
I would
Thank
like
you so much.
I would like
Thank
to
you.
tell everybody, please switch on your cam and please enjoy the moment. Beautiful performance has been taking place over here. So please, it's a request to everybody, please come on cam and join us live. So I'm requesting Kanis and Ritika to proceed further, please.
Yes,
Over to you,
Rohit.
Ritika.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, friends, you spread music in the air with this musical performance. I felt like we are watching this performance live sitting in an auditorium next to each other. I'm pretty much sure that everybody could felt it like I did. So, this tuneful performance. After this tuneful performance, let's move ahead. Our next performance is on a leader who not only fought for the freedom alone, but also encouraged the youth to join him to free our country by his famous slogan, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." He is Subhash Chandra Bose. And on this note, I would like to call Team Subhash Chandra Bose to represent his case thoughts and on freedom. Team Subhash Chandra Bose, please take over.
Good evening, Shruti Kaura ma'am and Rohit Ranjanji and all the organizing team. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to pay tribute to our charismatic freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, on this auspicious day. And we will have a great experience through this event and get a lifelong memory in our mind. Now, I'm Anupma Jana, captain of Team Subhash Chandra Bose. Our team members, Harsh Thapa, Shikib Ali, and Archit Arora.
Happy Independence Day to all.
Wow, very good. Very nice. What a vibrant PPT.
Good afternoon, all of you present here. I, Harsh Thapa, represent you Subhash Chandra Bose earlier life. एक मजबूत दीवार अगर एक ही हथौड़े से गिरा दी गई है तो जरूरी नहीं कि वो उसी हथौड़े से गिरी हो। उस गुलामी की दीवार पर पहले से कई हथौड़े पड़े थे। आखिरी हथौड़ा जो गांधी और नेहरू ने मारा, जरूरी नहीं कि आजादी हमें उन्होंने दिलाई। लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, अशफाक उल्ला खान एंड विद विजनरी माइंड नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, इन्होंने ऐसी कई चुकी दी थी जिसके कारण वो दीवार कमजोर हो सकी और हमें आजादी मिल पाई। Let's start from the start. Freedom is not given, it's taken. स्वतंत्रता दी नहीं जाती, उसे लिया जाता है। Quote by Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, in Odisha. He was popularly known as Netaji. His father, Janakinath Bose, was famous and renowned lawyer. His mother, Prabhavati Devi, was devout and religious lady. He took his education from European schools and secured the second rank in class 10th. After that, he got his admission in Calcutta University. He decided to take revenge after reading so many incidents about the exploitation of India by British. In 1916, Subhash devoted, beat and trashed one of his British teachers, E.F. Horton. The professor made a racist remark against all the students. Subhash expelled from the Presidency College and banished from the Calcutta University. This incident brought Subhash in the list of rebel Indians. Over to you, Shikib.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shikib Ali. Now I am continuing from. On the urge of his father, he went to Cambridge and prepared for Indian civil service.